Good morning. This is day 5 of my big crochet commission. I started working on scarf number 4. The yarn is Hobbii Universe, and I just love all these beautiful colors. Working with this yarn is a bit more challenging than was working with all of these yarns, but I'm still enjoying it very much. I crochet with a large size hook, size I, 5.5 millimeters, and I really hope to finish this scarf today. And in the description box below the video, I will leave the link to the pattern and video tutorial that I'm following. It's available on my YouTube channel. My mom was visiting me last weekend, and today I had to take her to the train station so she would take the train back home. And I did check the train schedule online, but when we arrived to the station, we realized that the next train is going to be in 2 hours. Silly me. Instead of looking at the weekday schedule, I looked at the weekend schedule. So we had 2 hours to wait for the next train, and we went to a coffee shop, and fortunately I had my crochet project with me. So during those 2 hours I did quite a lot of crocheting. And my mom and I sat outside, we had some coffee and chocolate eclairs, and we talked a lot about crochet, and I was very happy to have those 2 extra hours of quality time with my mom, because the older I get and the older my mom gets, the more time I want to spend with her. In my previous videos, I was sharing the story of how in 2010 I started my crochet blog, and that was the era of crochet doilies for me. Then in 2014 I started selling my patterns online. I opened an Etsy shop, and that was an era of baby blankets and baby hats. And by that time there were a lot of people on my blog who were asking me whether I considered starting a YouTube channel and making tutorials. And I was like, oh no, that's something I could never do. And actually there was only one thing that was holding me back, and that was my insecurity about the way I speak English. As you can hear, English is not my native language. I have an accent, I mispronounce a lot of words, sometimes I make grammar mistakes, and I felt like I don't want to put myself out there for anyone to criticize me and be mean to me and make fun of how I speak English. And now that I'm older and I look back, I think it was such a silly little thing to worry about, because over the 3 years, almost 3 years that I have had my YouTube channel, there was only one comment in regards to the way I speak English. And funny enough, or strangely enough, it didn't even come from an English-speaking person. It was from a Russian-speaking person. The lady wrote in Russian, "You really need to work on your English pronunciation. It's really painful listening to you speak English." And that comment did not bother me at all. I replied, "Sure, thanks for letting me know. I'll keep working on my English pronunciation." So yes, I think if it wasn't for that fear and insecurity, I probably would have started my channel much sooner. But then I really believe that things in life happen for a reason, and things in life happen when the time is right. So maybe back then it wasn't my time yet. But then in 2019, my time finally came. And in January 2019, I posted my first YouTube video, and it was a tutorial for lacy scarf. This is how much I've crocheted today. This is quite a lot, considering that this is a fine yarn, category 1, and I only need several more inches for the scarf to be finished. This is how much yarn I have left, and this is still the first ball or the first cake of this yarn, Hobbii Universe. So for this scarf, only one is going to be enough. This scarf sparkles so beautifully, but you can really see it right now. The electrical lightning doesn't do the scarf its justice, but I will take pictures of it in the daylight. It's the next morning. I finished the scarf last night, so I did make it in one day, and I absolutely love how it looks. It is very, very pretty.